I'm here in the studio today to check out the Google Pixel 8. And if you're looking for a new phone this Christmas, this is definitely one that you're going to want to find under the tree. This is a really clever bit of kit with a really smart and powerful chip at the centre of everything. So the Tensor G3 chip is custom designed for Google. It basically makes it possible for this phone to do all the cool stuff that it does, especially all of the nifty AI features on here. So Live Translate, for example, which translates languages in real time. So let's say you go abroad and you don't understand the menu, all you'd need to do is head to Translate and it will literally translate straight away into the language of your choice. Then you've got the Magic Editor and Magic Eraser as well, which both let you fix and enhance photos by adding sharpness or getting rid of any unwanted objects or people. All of these handy features rely on AI and the powerful Tensor G3 chip. This is a great phone for gaming and streaming on the go too. It's got this 6.2-inch OLED display that's nice and bright, really sharp and super detailed. Then you've got the added bonus of a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, so everything moves really smoothly across the screen. It's powered by an adaptive battery which is capable of lasting over 24 hours. It basically recognises which apps you use the least and stops them from running in the background so they don't use up your precious battery. Then if you're really in a jam and need to preserve some power, there's this option of battery saver and extreme battery saver mode. So you just scroll down and click on that and that will give you up to 72 hours of power. So if you'd like any more information on the Google Pixel 8, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.